What's up everyone, welcome back to TradeMind and I'm Jaden. Let's get back to the market analysis today. So I think everyone is actually quite curious about what is going on the gold market. So before we start, let's read back what has happened yesterday. Yesterday, the most important factor is the New Zealand has been lowering down interest rates. So you'll be asking me why New Zealand lower interest rates, but we can see that the New Zealand USD has been going that much higher. So we'll be also explaining why. Okay, so one of the major reasons is that New Zealand has been mentioned, it's dropping rates. Okay, so there's usually the reserve banks will be watching two things. One is inflation. The second thing it's the employment sides. So from the employment sides is from the whole economy perspective, we do see that the New Zealand economy situation is not looking quite good. They also mentioned that the inflation rates it's actually maintaining on 3%, so it's actually higher than expectations. But the economy situation is not looking good. The employment sides is actually lowering down, but right now it's actually coming faster, recovering back to faster phase. So this, and we do see that the New Zealand bank officer has been mentioned that this might be the last time dropping rates. So from that point stance, we can see that this has been pushing higher from the New Zealand pairings. So we can see that the New Zealand USD pairing has been going really high. So you can see that in a short period of time, the New Zealand USD pairings has been going through a really strong upwards momentum. Okay, besides of that, we do see that the dollar index is also going lower as well. So we can see that the dollar index is actually reaching back towards on the lower side. So this has been pushing a little bit higher from dollar index, but didn't really affected much because US durable goods order didn't really quite impact on the Federal Reserve decisions. But in the end, we do see that the dollar index is going lower. Okay, so let's go back to the market analysis or the technical perspective. So from the technical perspective, we do see that the dollar index has been reaching through this major low, and we do expect that today the dollar index will be forming some kind of retrenchment. Therefore, this going higher will be indirectly putting a little bit pressure on the gold market. So we'll be expecting that the gold market is putting a little bit pressure starting from Tuesday onwards. The market condition is not what we expected. The volatility is actually reducing, the trend is not strong, and it's actually forming a ranging level. From current perspective, I'm thinking that the market will be forming a ranging within this range. So either it's much more higher to see the price to reach back towards on the higher sides, breaking through this level. And if the price really break through this blue line, okay, this is where the major resistance are. If the price really break through this level, then I think the price will be likely to continue going higher and reaching through 4184 or maybe even higher. Okay, so remember, we'll be giving out live trading signals in our Discord group. So if you're really interested on having it, and if you really wanted to have more about it, remember to follow our Discord group, and we'll be giving out these trading signals for free. And just follow, like, and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon tomorrow.